Now let us see question number 6, chapter 5, brain teasers. Mr. Kumar went to shopping with his family to a mall. We also go to the mall and we buy lot many of things. Let us see what Mr. Kumar has bought. Mr. Kumar bought a saree for rupees 12,500, clothes for kids for rupees 9,280 and shirt for rupees 10,445. If the GST charged on the purchases is 12%, then what is the total amount that Mr. Kumar has paid? Now see children, what is GST? GST is goods and service tax, and this every shopkeeper takes. Okay, while giving the receipt, he will take the actual amount also along with the amount of GST. So let us see what amount Mr. Kumar has to pay to the shopkeeper. First of all, let us count how much the cost of all the things purchased by him. So, cost of saree. How much is it? Rupees 12,500. Shopkeeper will make like this. He will make the receipt like this only. Then, cost of clothes for kids. It was rupees 9,280. Okay. Then, cost of shirt. Cost of a shirt. So this was rupees 10,445. Let us see the total cost first. Okay. 5, 8 and 4, 12, 2, 1, 5 and 2, 7, 7 and 5, 12, 2, 1, 10 and 2, 12, 2, 1, 2 and 3. 32,225. Okay. Now this was the amount as per the price written on the articles. But along with this he has to pay 12% of GST. So let us find GST. What is GST is equal to 12% of 32,225. So this will be 12 by 100 into 32,225. So cancel it with 5, 5 20s are, and here 5 6 are 30, 22, 5 4s are 20, again 22, 5 4s are 20, 25, 5 5s are 25. Again it goes with 5, so 5 4s are 20. See, 5 1s are 5, 14, so 5 2s are 10, 44, 5 8s are 40 and 5 9s are 44, 45. Now see, 4 1s are and 4 3s are. So we are getting 3 into 1, 2, 8, 9. So how much is this? Let us see. Rupees. 3 9s are 27, 2, 3 8 are 24 and 2, 26, 2, 3 are 6 and 2, 8 and 3 1 are 3. It is equal to 3,867. 3,867. So amount to be paid by Mr. Kumar. Mr. Kumar will have to pay how much? This amount plus this amount. Rupees 32,225 plus rupees 3,867. This is the GST. So add it so that we can say how much amount Mr. Kumar has to pay to the shopkeeper. 7 plus 5 is 12, 1, 7 and 2, 9, 8 and 2, 10, 0, 1, 4 and 2, 6 and 3. So, Mr. Kumar has to pay 36,092 rupees. 36,092 rupees. This is the amount Mr. Kumar has to pay. Come on children, now let us see the HOTS part. The mart price of an article is rupees 3,500 and rate of GST is 12%. A shopkeeper allows a discount of 20% and still makes a profit of 10%. Find the original cost price of the article and selling price including GST. Please pay attention. you have to use all your skills you have learned till today. First of all, see, mark price is 3500, GST is 12%. So the shopkeeper will always include the cost of GST also, the price of GST also, percentage of GST also. So see here, mark price is equal to 3500, GST is equal to 12% of 3500, isn't it? Whatever is marked on the article, GST will be taken over that. So that is equal to 12 by 100 into 3500. This is what the shopkeeper will take from the customer. 12 5 is 60, 0 6, 12 is 36 and 6 is 42. So rupees 420 is the GST over 3500. So the shopkeeper will say that the article cost rupees this was there. How much? 3500 plus 420. This is 3500 plus 420, that is, see here, 3920. So rupees 3920. This is the actual price of the article, but he is allowing a discount of 20%. Okay, so what will be the SP? You have to subtract discount from this particular amount. How much is the discount? Discount is 20%. So discount is equal to 20% of rupees 3920. So that will be 20 by 100 into 3920. So 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 1, 2 is 6 and 1 7. So this much amount will be lessened from 3920 so that the customer can get the discount of 20%. So let us say SP is equal to 3920 minus 784. Let us do it here. 3920 minus 784. 10 minus 4 is 6. 11 minus 8 is 3. 8 left. 8 minus 7 1. So here rupees 3136. 3136 is the selling price of the article after including GST. But you have to find the CP also. Here the shopkeeper is selling the article at 3136, but he is also earning profit of 10%. See, profit of 10%. So let us say CP. If CP is equal to X, if CP is equal to X, then profit is equal to how much? 10% of X. So that will be equal to 10 by 100 into X. So 0 0 cancel. This is equal to X by 10. And selling price will be equal to CP plus profit. This you all know. So X plus X by 10 is equal to how much? 3136. So here 10x plus x, 11x by 10 is equal to 3136. So x will be equal to 3136 into 10 by 11. Let us see how you can cancel it. 11 ones are 11. See here, 11 twos are 22. So if you let us do it here. 3136 divided by 11. 3136 divided by 11. See, 11 twos are 22. 11 minus 2 is 9. Here 2 to 0, so 3. 11 8s are 88. 13 minus 8 is 5. Here 8 minus 8 is 0. 6. 11 5s are 55. 1. Put point here. 0, but 11 is greater than this, so put 0 and 1 0 here. 11 9s are 99. Now I am leaving. It is 285.09. 285.09. 285.09 multiplied by 10. So it will become 2850.9. So what is your CP? Your CP will be equal to rupees 2850.9. So this is your final answer.